Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick, we're gonna fire this car up here. I don't know where to put the fucking camera. We're gonna fire the car up here, and when it's cold, it takes a few minutes for the car to warm up. It's whatever's expanding. I hope it's not like a bent valve or something. In 5, it's coming around 5. It's coming around right here. It's already warmed up, semi-warm. So I'm gonna start it up just to show how long it takes. So, and it's coming right around this cylinder here, cylinder 5. Okay, the guy that's been a troublemaker since the O-ring. Everything else is pretty good, but that one looks pretty fucking major. Okay, so that started after the O-ring injector seal broke on 5, so I don't know what would cause that. So the vacuum leak was from injector 5. That's when the tapping started, after trying to figure out where the vacuum leak was from a misfire on 5. So first we had a misfire before vacuum leak. And then I changed, and the computer was registering misfire, so I changed out the coil to a different coil. They're all new coils, but to a better coil. It's no longer misfiring, but now we have a tapping. Okay, so I don't know enough about engines here, especially newer ones, but to me it sounds like a fucking valve hitching or something. I don't know, but it's expanding, it's warming up and it's expanding, right? Unless if it's a collapsed lifter or lash adjuster, then they're all new lash adjusters. Same cylinder too. So we replaced the lash adjusters. We did a valve adjustment, 2.008 on the intake. And I don't know if that's intake or exhaust, but it doesn't sound good. Okay, so